Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can connect Bluetooth Earbud to your Android device. Well, it's quite easy. So first thing, you'll have to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on your phone. So scroll down through your control panel and here you can see Bluetooth option right here. Tap on it just like this and enable it. You can see it is enabled on my phone. And now open your Earbuds case. Just like this, after opening your Earbuds case, now your earbuds are turned on, so you'll have to get to the settings of your Bluetooth. So simply you can long press on Bluetooth just like this. So after doing that, here you can see under the available device, there is the option of your earbud. Here you'll have to simply tap on your earbud name just like this. And here you can see it is now pairing. And just like this, tap on pair. And we have now successfully paired our earbuds with our Android device. So you can simply put on your earbuds and now we have successfully connected it. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.